Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to get into TotalAV Antivirus. I want to see if it's still one of the best antivirus apps available, and if it can stand up to the latest threats. Malware and online threats move quickly these days, which is why you really need the best antivirus software available that can keep your devices safe. That's why I'm going to look at some of their best features that I discovered after installing the most recent version and testing it out for myself. I'll talk about their plans on pricing, features, pros and cons. That way, by the end of this review, you can figure out if TotalAV is the best antivirus for you. I'll also share with you guys my thoughts on TotalAV and the results of my tests. So if you want to try TotalAV out, I have a special affiliate discount link for you in the description below. This link gives you an extra discount and gives me a commission, so it's a win-win. TotalAV started out in 2016 and specializes in home user antivirus software. Even though TotalAV is a fairly new competitor, it already has more than 30 million users and was named top product twice by the independent German lab AV-Test in 2022. Not only that, but it also won the AAA award for SE Labs, the Silver award for low false positives, and the Bronze award from AV Comparatives for the malware protection test. TotalAV also offers a free version, which is better than nothing, but their premium plans are the most reasonably priced options I've found for those looking for comprehensive protection, making them a great choice for anyone on a tight budget. Okay, the way it works is that you first install TotalAV, but whenever you download an antivirus program, make sure you're getting it from the official website. Otherwise, you might be installing malware, which is why I would recommend using the link in the description below. After you've downloaded TotalAV, open the files and choose Yes to allow TotalAV to access your device. And just wait for the software to install and update, and after installation and startup, real-time protection needs to be turned on for the software to work. But if you've been using Microsoft Defender, it may interfere with TotalAV. In that case, you'll need to disable it and let TotalAV become your antivirus software. Now, in terms of plans and pricing, there is a free version that you can use, which is pretty good, but you do need to subscribe to get all the features that make TotalAV really worth it. Starting with the first option, Antivirus Pro, that's the basic plan. It costs $30 for the first year and then $120 every year after that. It covers up to 3 devices, including PC, Mac, iOS, and Android. It also protects you against ransomware, phishing attempts, adware, and spyware, prevents you from downloading unwanted content, offers zero-day cloud scanning, stops phishing attacks by examining URLs, and provides you with helpful tools like System Tune-Up, Disk Cleaner, and a browser cleanup tool. After that, there's the Internet Security Plan, which costs $40 for the first year and $145 for every year after that, and protects up to 5 devices and includes a VPN. I chose this plan because I use multiple devices and I wanted to test out their VPN. Next is the Total Security Plan, which costs $50 for the first year and $180 for every year after that, and it covers up to 6 devices. This plan includes everything in the Internet Security Plan, plus a basic password manager and total ad block, which allows you to browse the web without constantly seeing annoying advertisements. But since I already have a great standalone password manager, I wasn't interested in that. Now, in terms of features, TotalAV has 4 different types of virus scans that you can use. Firstly, there's a quick scan. This scan is meant to be quick. It takes about 10 minutes to complete it. Next is the full system scan, which looks at your whole device in more detail. After that, there's the smart scan. This scan doesn't just look for viruses and malware. It also finds things like cookies, duplicate files, and junk files that aren't needed and could be slowing down your system. Lastly, there's the custom scan. With this scan, you can scan specific folders or the whole system at any convenient time for you, like at night while you're sleeping anyways. And this feature lets you customize the scan to your needs. Okay, so TotalAV gives users the option to disable real-time protection, but because of its minimal impact on system resources, this is generally not recommended. Activating the Web Shield feature of TotalAV offers a strong protection against ransomware, data breaches, and malicious web content by actively blocking suspicious websites. URLs link to cryptocurrency mining and other dangerous online websites. The Web Shield browser extension offers an extra layer of security by filtering your online searches through TotalAV's web application through its Safe Search feature. A website with a red tick next to it may be dangerous, but at the end, I turned this feature off because it mistakenly flagged some of the websites I visit as dangerous, which was kind of annoying. So as I said before, I chose the Internet Security package because it has a VPN built into it, which I really like. This lets you stream content that might not be available to you wherever you are in the world, and also lets you browse the web anonymously. The VPN feature alone makes this plan worth the cost. With the VPN's kill switch and WinScribe power, you can continue streaming even if your connection is lost. With 50 servers spread across more than 30 locations worldwide, this VPN, which is actually one of the better ones that comes with an antivirus app, works well when used on the go through apps for Android and iPhone. I actually used a few different locations to test it out, and overall, I thought it was pretty good and fast. And again, if you want to try out TotalAV, I have a special affiliate discount link for you in the description below. This link gives you an extra discount and gives me a commission, so it's a win-win. Okay, I tested TotalAV on all of my devices and found that it takes some time to install because the setup files are quite large, more than 400 megabytes. On the other hand, its interface is simple to use and intuitive once installed. I was also pretty impressed that TotalAV was able to identify and eliminate malware from a USB drive without affecting my computer. TotalAV detected 9 out of the 10 malware samples that I purposely installed on my computer. The only one that was missing looked harmful but wasn't. This shows how TotalAV rarely confuses safe files for threats. Now, the malware warnings are easily manageable within the app, and they're very noticeable. I just want to point out though that I've heard some complaints about slow scans and performance lags, but I personally had a great experience. A full scan of 65 gigabytes took only 22 minutes. A second scan didn't show any speed improvement, which was a bit disappointing. Also, if you're wondering what the VPN's best feature is, it's that it can quickly and easily connect to many streaming services. This makes it perfect for anyone who needs a reliable VPN for streaming. I would recommend TotalAV to anyone searching for a safe VPN to use for streaming. Also, even though the first year's cost is pretty cheap, there is no way to avoid the price increase the next year. Parental controls aren't included, but the disk cleanup and system optimization tools are what really interests me. Another thing is that independent reviews say that its antivirus is amazing. Alright, so how does TotalAV stack up against other services like Norton and McAfee? So, they each have their own strengths. Personally, I've tried Norton and McAfee. Both have free versions and paid packages that give you full access. And based on my tests, Norton was slightly better at scanning quickly and effectively compared to TotalAV, which uses Avira's engine for its anti-malware protection. But both Norton and TotalAV have great customer service and easy-to-use interfaces, but Norton usually answers a bit faster. In terms of TotalAV's Web Shield, it performed well in terms of web protection and didn't mistakenly flag safe websites as threats, which is a notable benefit. But for those who are willing to look more thoroughly, Norton offers a community forum for user insights that may be helpful. Although Norton provides a more extensive feature set as well, like a powerful firewall, however, TotalAV stands out for its exceptional VPN service and unique tools for system optimization. So the decision between them really depends on personal preferences and needs. On the other hand, McAfee costs more at first, and I also noticed that it slowed down my computer a bit during scans, which wasn't an issue with TotalAV. Both offer about the same level of web security, but they have different features. TotalAV's VPN works much better than McAfee, even though both have firewalls and parental controls. Both have basic password managers and mobile apps that do similar things, but McAfee's app has more features for your phone. So for everyday tasks, TotalAV feels lighter on devices. I personally like TotalAV because it has more features, but what's best for each person depends on their needs and priorities. Wrapping up this review, is TotalAV the best antivirus software out there? In my opinion, it really stands out as the best antivirus software for 2024. because of how well it finds malware, as well as its strong web security and system optimization tools. On top of that, it protects my devices reliably in real time, without slowing them down. It also gets good marks from independent testing labs for finding malware and giving a few false alarms. But what really makes TotalAV stand out for me is its great VPN service, which comes with no limits. So if you like this feature, it's a good idea to use TotalAV as your security shield for everything you do online. Anyway, that's about it for this video, so if you liked the content or found it useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more of it. And again, if you want to try TotalAV out, I have a special affiliate discount link for you in the description below. This link gives you an extra discount and gives me a commission, so it's a win-win. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.